Hello everyone, myself Rahul Singh, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Judicial Sciences, Rama University, Kanpur. Today, my topic is classes of criminal codes. Classes of criminal codes is defined under CRPC. Section 6 talk about classes of the criminal codes. First, High Court. High Court, it is defined under Section 2E. Section 2E of the CRPC. And second, Court of Session. Court of Session, it is defined under section number 9. Section 9 talk about establishment of Court of Session. According to clause 9(1), state government may establish Court of Session. And 9 clause 2, according to the 9 clause 2 talk about the presiding officer of the Court of Session. Presiding officer of the Court of Session appointed by the section 9 clause 2 presiding officer of the Court of Session appointed by the High Court. And High Court also appoint, according to section 9 clause 3, High Court also appoint 2 judges, assistant and additional. Here, section 9 clause 3, High Court also appoint additional and assistant session judge. Now, third is judicial magistrate. Judicial magistrate, it is defined under section number 11 to 15. Section 11 to 15. Section 11 to 15 talk about the judicial magistrate of first class. And section 11 talk about establishment of judicial magistrate court. Judicial magistrate courts. Now, section number 12. Section number 12 talk about the appointment of CGM. Appointment of CGM. CGM. Section 12 talk about CGM. CGM means Chief Judicial Magistrate. It is appointed by the High Court. Section number 13. Special Judicial Magistrate. Section 13 provide to you Special Judicial Magistrate. Special Judicial Magistrate means state government provide for special matter to the Special Judicial Magistrate with the consult with the High Courts. Now, section number third talk about Metropolitan Magistrate. Metropolitan Magistrate, it is defined under section number 2K. Read with section 8. Read with section 2K and 8. Section 8 talk about what is the metropolitan area. Metropolitan area declared by the state government. State government declare any area to the metropolitan area. Metropolitan area where population 1 million. So, state government in the notification, publish official notification in the official gazette may declare any area to the metropolitan area. And now, metropolitan area magistrate defines section 11 to section 16 to 19. So, metropolitan magistrate means any magistrate which is appointed in the metropolitan area. Now, come to the 5 point means executive magistrate. Now, executive magistrate is considered to be executive magistrate in the criminal courts. Now, executive magistrate defined under section 20 clause 20 to 23. And executive magistrate, types of the executive magistrate. According to section 20 clause 1, talk about appointment of the DM. Which means district magistrate. District magistrate appointed by the state government. Now, 20 clause 2 provide to appointment of the ADM. ADM means additional district magistrate. It is also appointed by the state government. Now come to the 20 clause 4. 20 clause 4 provide to you SDM. SDM appoint by the state government and appoint in the area of subdivision. It is defined under section 2B. Defined under section 2B. Subdivision means when district classified into two parts. Now, for example, Kanpur urban and Kanpur rural area. Here subdivision. It is the subdivision of the Kanpur. Now, classes of criminal code is complete. And now talking about power of the criminal codes. So, power of the criminal code. First, High Court. High Court establishment by the under Article 214. Establishment of High Court under Article 214. According to the section 28. According to section 28 provide to you High Court. High Court give any imprisonment, any punishment authorized by law. High Court provide any kind of punishment which is authorized by law. Now, Court of Session. Previous I am talking about additional assistant or additional session judge. Court of Session give any imprisonment, but in case of death or capital punishment, consult with the High Court. Consult with the High Court under section 366. And additional session judge also equal power of the Court of Session. Now come to the assistant session judge. Assistant session judge provide to you any punishment not exceeding 10 years. Not exceeding 10 years. Now, judicial magistrate first. Judicial magistrate classified into two categories. First, GM first and GM second. GM second give any imprisonment up to imprisonment 3 years plus 10K fine. Judicial magistrate impose 10K fine or imprisonment 3 years. Now, talking about judicial magistrate second class. Judicial magistrate second class imprisonment not exceeding 1 year plus fine up to 5,000 rupees. And now come to the CGM. CGM provide punishment 7 years, maximum 7 years and unlimited fine. CJM, Chief Judicial Magistrate. Chief Judicial Magistrate defined under section number 12. CJM appointed by the High Court, and CJM give any imprisonment not exceeding 7 years and fine up to unlimited fine. Now come to the Metropolitan Magistrate. Metropolitan Magistrate equal to Judicial Magistrate first class. And CMM, suppose that CMM equal to CJM. So classes of the criminal code defined under section number 6. 6 provide to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. High Court establishment under Article 214 and Court of Session. Second criminal code is Court of Session. Court of Session establishment by the state government under section number 9. Section number provide to how to establishment of Court of Session. Court of Session. Now come to the Judicial Magistrate. Judicial Magistrate defined under section 11 to 15. And now third is Metropolitan Magistrate. Metropolitan Magistrate appointed in the area of the metropolitan area. Metropolitan area, it is defined under section 2K, read with section 8. So now come to the Metropolitan Magistrate. Metropolitan Magistrate provide section 16 to 19. And now come to the executive magistrate. Executive magistrate provide under section 20 to 23. Thank you.